Hey guys, so you're probably wondering how to import and export passwords from iCloud Keychain using iPhone. So if I come here to your settings and if we scroll down and we go ahead and look for apps, we scroll down until we see passwords, right? So what you can do is you can save your passwords. You can scroll down, you can open passwords here, unlock this, can save passkeys, okay, right here for example for WhatsApp, and you can go ahead and save this. And what you can also do is you can go to your notes and you click and create a new note. You click here and save this and you lock this password, right? You can lock notes as well with your iPhone passcode. You can just use iPhone passcode here. And with the passwords, right, you can go ahead and save it. Now there's no option to directly export all your passcodes from iCloud Keychain into a file like a CSV on iPhone for security reasons. But what you can do is just save them, and then what you do is you need a Mac, okay, and then you can move it once it is saved to your cloud. That's the only way. Hope this was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.